Anthony is a very popular student here on this campus. He's always willing to be there for you, to shake your hand. He's just an all-around good kid.
Por atrás, não deixa virar, segura, segura!
All I see is the big water splash from the car hitting the water. And I told my mom, look, something just went into the canal. I was like, go help, let's see what happened. So I got down and I ran over, I jumped over the railing and I saw the car in the water and I hear them saying there's someone in the car. So I was like, okay, I grabbed my slides, I just threw them off and I just jumped in.
I was, so proud and amazed that he was able to do something that many people might hesitate.
Tiene más, tiene más!
I got half my body in the car. I told her, give me your hand. She gave me her hand. I grabbed her I pulled her up, then I grabbed her by the torso, and then I had to kick myself off the car to be able to pull her out completely. It was right as the car was sinking. The car was underwater by the time I got her out.
Hey, I commend y'all. Amen.
We're always looking to build character, to build, the world-renowned global citizens that we always hear about, and we're happy that Anthony demonstrated that ability and really selfishly demonstrated that for our community.